Hi, this is Pankaj, and I am working on Salesforce record count with the text edit log. In this challenge, we need to store like how total number of records, record counts, and total number of record updated on a particular day, and total number of record deleted on a particular day. We need to show all these details in a line graph. So for this, I have created one. I have installed the unmanaged package, and then I have added some extra fields in Apex log object. One is object name. It will store the object name for on that we want to do any operation, like whatever we want to retrieve count total number of counts, or want to retrieve total number of deleted recorded within a 24 hours, or total number of record updated within 24 hours. So for object name, one field is object name, then total count, updated records, like in this, and another more deleted records. So these four fields will store the particular object record data in Apex log object. Okay, in record count, I have written all the logic to store data in Apex log. Like, let me show you record count. So for first, I have created a custom setting. Custom setting will store all the object names. Like if you want to do operation on account, contact, or whatever object you want to do. So I have made some flexible. And also I have added, if you want to add some extra condition, like on the based on condition you want to see data on a particular day, like account condition is very created by name, by owner name like Pankaj Kumar, and like in contact I have nothing given any condition. So you can define your own condition and the object name in the custom setting. In this, I am retrieving all the custom setting data like object IP and from this custom setting I am retrieving all the data like object, whatever the object we have defined, like account object. If a name is defined and condition is defined, I am passing through in the record of record in Apex log method. If there is any condition, I am making a SQL query like that, like select count from object name where owner is this, and if there is no condition, I am making it simple SQL. And for database.get updated result, it will give back as to the result updated within 24 hours. It is a Salesforce functionality. And also for retrieve deleted result, I am using database.getDeleted to avoid SQL queries. So I am using one query for one particular object. So in this, I am doing three operations. Like first, total number of counts from this query. Second, get updated record in 24 hours, and get deleted record 24 hours. So this functionality was provided by Salesforce, last two functionality. Then in Apex log, I am storing object name, record count, updated count. So all these values I am storing in Apex log object. Whenever my batch will run, like I have scheduled my Apex this class for in a weekly basis on the, like in a particular day it will run once, as it was the requirement of the challenge. So let me show you schedule code. So it will schedule on 27. Next schedule will be on 27. So right now am firing this class from manually, like in from developer console. I am running this class. So we have total number of record is 4. If I go, so here you will see that in contact there are 20 records, updated record within 24 hour 0, deleted record within 24 hour 0. I have deleted one account record and updated 6 contact records. So details are here. Like in count, single select count from contact, and the second query, like we are storing the query like select count from account. The condition is here, so it's a coming data from according to condition, and method name, class name. So we are showing the data like this. Let me show you the graph. So total number of record was 20 on the 25. Yesterday it was 25, and right now it was also 20. So no change of total number of records, but I have deleted one record from account, also added one record. So you will see updated record that in account I didn't update any record. So you will see like for contact I have updated, yesterday I updated only 3 counts, and today I have updated 6 records. And deleted, you will see I have deleted one account record, and for this I hadn't deleted any record for account. So you will see like graph between the both. If I add one more object in this, and save, and now again let me enter. For a particular date it will pick most recently record. So yesterday, because we have added yesterday I didn't added in this, like on 25 we have only 2 objects for in apex log object entry, and for today we have entry for apex log. So apex log record is like 6 total number of record are 6. Updated records are for apex log, you will see apex log 2, and deleted record are, see, in apex log today I have deleted 21 records. So if you want to add, you can add more records in this custom setting, and you will see the data over there. So you can add as many objects as you want, and you can define your own type of queries. So like this condition, the solution should be flexible enough to provide ad hoc series. Like if you want to give any condition in custom setting, you can, like if you want to add new object, you can, and you can run on the daily basis, which was also functionality was provided by the Salesforce. There are 2 charts, they are asking for 2 chart, which is 3 series. I have created 3 series, and in this you can show as many as records you want, like object records, account, contacts. I am inserting queries and the records into the log object. The queries I am storing the conditions like object name and the conditions in custom settings, so that you can modify your queries. So only thing is remaining, when I click on this overriding value, still I will I will try to resolve it, and I will update in my next video with this correction. Thank you. Bye. मुझे पता नहीं वीडियो कहाँ गई।